Yes guys, what we're going to do today is a first cut and treatment on this lawn. As you can see, we're going to get the crest mower out, let's get it cut and get some treatments on it.
You're pulling on my walls down. I've never been exposed like this before. I'm good at shutting you out. I've always had a way of keeping closed. Beating, hiding, I've been calling out your name from the darkness, thinking it's too late. If you're finding I've been too much on your plate, I'll keep hiding, calling out your name, calling out your name. Your name. Tell me how you're feeling.
Quite a bit off.
Since you got me out in the open, now I'm ready to dive in. I know you told you it would be a slow burn. Beating, hiding, I've been calling out your name from the darkness, thinking it's too late. If you're finding I've been too much on your plate, I'll keep hiding, calling out your name.
Quick coffee break. Right, as you can see, it's all cut now, definitely needed it. It's looking a lot better. It's nice to finally get some cut, get some stripes on the lawn. We're going to get this on from Green Care. This is 5% iron and 5% nitrogen. So let's get this mixed up and get this on. Single cut on the front, double cut out the back. We use 2 bars battery, 3 bars left. So not bad at all. Right, so what we've got here is a 25 litre drum, and then one of these 1 litre containers will treat 500 square metres of lawn. So we haven't got 500 square metres here, but what isn't used here will be used on the next lawn. So let's get this in here, get some water, let's get it sprayed. Right, the sprayer's filled up. Let's get this product down. Would have really liked to got the Cobra Fortis on here today, but it is far too wet. So hopefully cut and spray today, and then next week let's hope we can get the Fortis on here. Though we are due some cold weather coming in, so I don't have high hopes for that. I know Robbie from Premier Lawns is going to have a go at me for walking up the dark stripe, and I'm sorry, Robbie. Should have started on the other side and walked the other way, shouldn't I? Gonna have to do something with this section here. So then that is that. We have cut, sprayed, strimmed. Hopefully next week we can get the Cobra Fortis on here, and I'd like to at some point get the Cayman aerator on here and get some holes in, get us well ahead for spring. So that's been a bit of what I'm up to. You may have your ways of doing it, but I'm just going to show you guys mine. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.